Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Do you know what actually makes a design great? There is a rule for making a great design, and that is F3 rules. That means form, feeling, function. If a design has these three things, then we can say the design is a great design. First we will know about form. Form means what it looks like. That means, what does your design look like? How is the visual of the design? To create a design form, the design need to be visually appealing, that means attractive to our viewers. Then you need to use color theory, or create color harmony. You have to use the color rules to create a great color palette, or a great color combination. Randomly typeface cannot be used. Typeface must be carefully selected, and then used it to your design. And then, we will know about feeling. Design must have a message, the message you want to through your audience. Then your entire design will have a mood, that will create emotions responsibility in the human brain. Each of us has different emotional responses, such as anger, love, and we have many such emotions like these. You need to make such a mood in your design, as if those emotions awaken, or evokes an emotional response. The first two of the F3 rules are form and feelings. If it has both, it will not be a good design. This is why Steve Jobs said, design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. That means the first two things we talked about, form and feelings, do not actually make for good design. Even if your design is good looking, or attractive to the viewers, it's still not good design, unless it works properly. The design can fulfill its purpose, and it works well everywhere, and that is the function. Functions means how it works. How the function actually works. For example, your design must have a purpose, so that the client's purpose such, growing business, increasing sales, or increasing conversion rates, you should aim to achieve that through your design. Your design should be such that we can easily read it and understand. Your design must be executable, so that your design can be used everywhere. And that is the function. And it's never going to be great design, if it doesn't works well everywhere. Now we will see some great design examples. First we will know about print advertisement. First you need to know what characteristics should have in a design, that makes a great design. For example, it must be simple and iconic, representative of the brand, able to tell a story without words. We see some designs, as you can see the dark design is made for Halloween car advertisement. It's amazing see how much negative space is used in the banner. Then here playful mood is created by reversing car, which looks really awesome. Then the typeface is also great, of course. It represents the brand. Then look at it, and say what design it is. At first glance, the design may seem awkward to you, because you may not know what it means. But an interesting thing to note is that, we see a picture of a blender in the corner. That means, now we understand it's a strawberry banana. That means, when we mix strawberry with a banana such a blender will be created. That means, it is trying to tell a story, and we are getting ideas about brand. Then, it is one of the iconic brand in the world, and that is Nike. See here no words are used in the design. However, Nike has created so much brand awareness, that we can easily understand the banner of the Nike brand. The design is also awesome, although there is nothing much to know, just the colorful splash coming out from the shoe. Now we will look at some business cards. Business card must be clean, must be elegant, and must be legible, so that we can easily read and understand, and must make the design clean. Business cards must be informative. Because if your business does not have your information, that means your name, your email, your contact number, then it will not be a good business card. So, of course, even if the other designs are simple, the business card must be informative. Then it will be a unique. Now there are no more old machines, New printing machines have come out, the designs must be unique to you. So you have to think of unique design. As we can see, a very clean design. And the typography and logo are also very nice. A great contrast is created against the background. Again, the white background is used against black color. The business card looks very nice. Then here is an interesting thing. Here the name is used signature fonts, and it looks amazing. And the arrow icon means that call me, this is my contact number. Here is another beautiful design. Here typography is used as per the design mood. And the typography really awesome. Also we can see that the edge is scaled like a ruler. This implies that the owner of this business card is primarily a builder or construction businessman, so you can see how his personality is being created through design. This is a really great design. Now we will look at some brochures. What should actually be contained in the brochure? Brochure should be organized and have visually appealing. Because brochures normally have a lot of information, a lot of text, it has to be organized. And it must be visually appealing. You need to keep the user in mind while designing. What will be the output of the design? While designing the brochure, you should have in mind exactly how the finishing of the brochure will be. It must be scannable and easy to read. It means that a brochure contains a lot of text so that people can read those texts easily. Many people don't want to read so much text, so you need to design the brochure in such a way that people can read the main topics easily. We see some brochure. Here we see, it is farmers markets. A dark color is used through the full brochure, and look here, the color combination is amazing. Although multiple colors are used in this brochure, the design looks very amazing. And the typography here is used playfully. This really awesome design. Here's another cool brochure design to look like a colorful comic book. An interesting thing is to note that, how beautiful a brochure is created using only images. Now we will see some logos. What should actually be included in the logo? It should be instantly recognizable. That means viewers can catch it by seeing the logo. Easily repurposed. That means, it can be easily scalable and everywhere. That means your logo can also be used on large billboards, and also used as a small favicon logo on the website. You must take care that, your logo can be used in small and large sizes everywhere, and it is clearly understood. Don't design a logo that looks great when scaled up, but doesn't make sense when scaled down. Design must be timeless. If you follow a trendy design, it won't last long because trendy thing is temporary. After some time the new trendy design will come, and your design will be left behind, so avoid trendy designing. That's why you need to design something that is timeless, and that you can use for years. It must be appropriate to your design. We see a logo Seed Sumo. As you can see, the sumo who is Chinese wrestler. The logo has a great combination here. All color combination is really amazing. Then this logo is Meat Lovers. It's basically a burger company with meat inside. This is how to create good design. You can create creative designs only when you combine several concepts together to form a single concept. This is another great design. Here use donated, that is a foreign traditional food. Also the typography is amazing in the design. Overall the design is great. From now, think about the designs that you will see in front of your eyes. Why this is a great design. Even if it is not a good design, try to find out what is lacking in it. This is how you have to think about the design around you by seeing. Your design sense will improve if you thinking such way. You have to be creative on your own, and do research on it. You can also criticize it. What is the real quality of the design that make great design? Again, what design is lacking in this design? Think of these rules and thus, one day you will be known as a creative designer. From now, you should increase your observation power towards design.